CETAPHIL Cracked Skin Repair Balm, designed to restore skin condition, hydrate dry skin and repair deeper cracks, cracked hands and feet including cuticles, calluses, and heels. Soothes, protects and restores skin, specially formulated with skin protectant dimethicone, glycerinto intensely moisturize, and beta-glucan to immediately soothe rough, cracked skin. Improves skin in 5 days, relieves and softens very rough and cracked skin to see a visible improvement after 5 days. Gentle on sensitive skin, the hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic and fragrance-free formula is suitable for even the most sensitive skin, including diabetic skin. Dermatologist recommended for sensitive skin. Top reviews from the United States. Best cream I've found. I have very dry skin and my hands are always cracked, despite only using sensitive skin soaps, etc. This is the best cream I've found to keep my hands in decent shape. Only need to apply once or twice a day. Highly recommended.